Looking good, neighbor. What you got this week?
Oh, what, this here? This here is honey and garlic glazed chicken. It's the best.
Honey and garlic. You sure that was meant to go together on a piece of chicken?
Oh, absolutely. This is like a sweet and sour taste. It's awesome. You should try it.
Try it? I need to know how to make it first.
Ah, come on now, it's not that hard. Here, I'll tell you what. Let me show you how to make it. Follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.